Apokti, a cured meat product, is mentioned by Constantine Porphyrogennetos in his work on Ceremonies. Byzantine apokti is a traditional cured meat product made from goat meat. The process begins with deboning the meat and cutting it into wide strips, then salting it for 1 day, followed by sun-drying for another in the plain sun. After this initial drying, the meat is placed in boiled water and rubbed with oregano. Finally, the meat is hung up again to dry and cure completely. Bearing almost the same name but being a different product is traditional Greek apokhti, a speciality from Santorin, which is made from pork loin. The process starts similarly with salting the meat for 1 day. However, instead of sun-drying, the meat is steeped in vinegar for 3 days. After removing it from the vinegar, the meat is patted dry and rubbed with cinnamon, black pepper and dried savory. Finally, the meat is hung up to dry for several weeks.